Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been dreaming of transforming your boring, empty patio into a lush, vibrant outdoor oasis, then you are in the perfect place. Today we're talking about the game changer of all garden elements, patio planters. We're not just looking at pretty pots, we're getting into the top 10 best garden planters for patio ideas that will completely elevate your space. Let's dive in. At its core, a garden planter for a patio is a decorative and functional container designed specifically for growing and displaying plants in an outdoor area that typically lacks in-ground planting space, such as a deck, balcony, or paved patio. Unlike a simple garden pot, a planter is generally larger, often rectangular, square, or tall, and is intended to hold multiple plants, allowing you to create a miniature, mobile garden or a stunning focal point. These vessels serve as essential design elements, merging the structural style of outdoor furniture with the organic beauty of living flora. They are the perfect solution for urban gardeners, renters, or anyone looking to introduce diverse plant life, from small trees and shrubs to vibrant annuals, herbs, or even vegetables, without having to break ground. Planters transform hardscapes into soft, inviting green spaces, adding both height and texture to your outdoor living area. The benefits of incorporating garden planters into your patio design are truly manifold, extending far beyond simple aesthetics. Firstly, they offer unparalleled design flexibility and mobility. You can easily rearrange your planters to create a new look for the season, move sun-loving plants into the light, or shift heavier ones to make room for entertaining. Secondly, planters allow you to control your soil and environment completely. This is a crucial advantage, as you can customize the potting mix for specific plant needs and prevent the spread of soil-borne pests or diseases common in garden beds. They are also fantastic for maximizing small spaces, enabling you to garden vertically or stack arrangements to create a lush, multi-level display, turning even the smallest balcony into a productive green haven. Finally, the mere presence of greenery has a documented positive impact on mental well-being, making your patio a healthier, more calming extension of your indoor living space and significantly boosting your home's curb appeal and potential value. Decorating your patio with garden planters to achieve a truly beautiful and cohesive look involves a few key design principles. The first and most important is the rule of 3, which dictates that grouping planters in odd numbers, 3, 5, or 7, and varying their heights, sizes, and textures creates a visually interesting and dynamic focal point. You should use the thrillers, fillers, and spillers technique, placing a tall, dramatic plant, the thriller, in the center, surrounding it with medium, bushy plants, the filler, and allowing trailing plants, the spiller, to cascade over the edges, softening the container's lines. Beyond grouping, use planters to define space. For instance, tall, linear planters can act as natural, living barriers to delineate a dining area from a lounging space. To create flow, repeat a few key planter styles or a specific color scheme, like sleek white planters for a modern look or rustic terracotta for a Mediterranean feel, throughout the patio. Finally, don't forget the power of symmetry. Placing identical planters on either side of a doorway or along a step creates an elegant, balanced, and welcoming entrance. Choosing the right material is essential for both durability and style. Here are some of the best materials for garden planters for patio. First, fiberglass or resin. Extremely lightweight, highly durable, weather-resistant, and can mimic the look of stone or metal. Perfect for rooftops or areas where you need to move the planter often. Second, concrete or cast stone. Very heavy and sturdy, making them ideal for large, permanent installations and windy areas. They offer a modern, industrial, or classic timeless look. Third, glazed ceramic. Offers vibrant colors and glossy finishes that resist water loss. Excellent for adding pops of color and sophisticated design. Must be brought indoors in freezing temperatures to prevent cracking. Fourth, wood like cedar or redwood. Provides a natural, rustic, and warm aesthetic. Cedar and redwood are naturally rot-resistant. Requires internal lining to prolong life and proper drainage. Fifth, metal like corten steel or galvanized. Corten steel develops a beautiful rust-like patina that acts as a protective layer, lending a modern, industrial, yet earthy feel. Galvanized metal is a lighter, silver alternative. 6. Terracotta or clay. Classic and porous, allowing roots to breathe, which is great for plant health. Best suited for dry climates or covered patios, as they dry out quickly and can crack in freezing weather. Now for the main event. Using the best design principles and materials, here are 10 incredible patio planter ideas to inspire your next garden project. One tall, sleek, modern monolith. This design features a pair of dramatically tall, dark-colored fiberglass planters, flanking an entryway or corner. Their clean, square lines immediately draw the eye upward, maximizing vertical space and providing a sleek, architectural anchor for the patio. Planted with a structured evergreen, like a small cypress or boxwood topiary, they create a formal, high-impact statement that is both contemporary and timelessly elegant. Two-tiered terracotta grouping. A beautiful asymmetrical arrangement of various sized terracotta pots, intentionally clustered together. The warm, earthy tone of the clay adds a rustic European charm. This group utilizes the rule of 3 perfectly, featuring a tall pot with a fragrant lemon tree, a medium-sized bowl of trailing petunias or the spiller, and a small pot with vibrant succulents. The grouping creates a single lush focal point with incredible texture and depth. 3. Rustic wooden trough herb garden. A long rectangular wooden planter box, perhaps made from reclaimed cedar or pallet wood, positioned right outside the kitchen door. This practical idea is dedicated to growing culinary herbs like basil, rosemary, thyme, and mint. The natural wood texture offers a cozy, farmhouse feel, and the straight line of the trough helps define the edge of the patio or deck, all while keeping fresh ingredients conveniently within arm's reach. For vibrant glazed ceramic pop, a single oversized planter in a striking brilliant color, such as cobalt blue or emerald green, made from glazed ceramic. This piece is used deliberately to introduce a powerful accent color to a neutral patio palette. Planted with a burst of coordinating flowers, like white hydrangeas or yellow marigolds, the glossy finish catches the light, creating a breathtaking focal point that instantly uplifts the entire outdoor space. 5. Galvanized metal railing planters. A series of slim utilitarian planters made of galvanized steel, specifically designed to hook securely over a patio or balcony railing. This is the ultimate solution for small space gardening, turning a formerly unusable vertical surface into a lush green wall. They work beautifully for growing cascading flowers, ferns, or even strawberries, offering a clean, industrial chic aesthetic while saving valuable floor space. 6. Low-profile succulent bowl. A wide, shallow concrete or fiber cement bowl, featuring an artistic arrangement of different succulents, cacti, and smooth river stones. This low-profile design is perfect for placing on a patio coffee table or a low wall. It offers texture and subtle color variations without obstructing the view, providing a minimalist, architectural, and low-maintenance centerpiece that evokes a sense of calm and tranquility. 7. Privacy screen planter wall. A series of tall rectangular planters, placed side by side to form a continuous living wall. The planters house bamboo, tall ornamental grasses, or climbing vines on a trellis. This is a brilliant, beautiful, and eco-friendly way to create instant privacy from neighbors or to softly partition a large patio into separate zones, adding a significant amount of refreshing greenery and height. 8. Classic urn planter with dramatic spill. A traditional, pedestal-style stone or cast-iron urn planter, often used in pairs to flank a front door or garden steps. The key is to plant a dense, dramatic spiller like sweet potato vine or dichandra, silver falls that cascades all the way to the ground, creating a lush, overflowing waterfall of foliage that screams classic, old-world elegance and grandeur. 9. Industrial Corten steel trough. A long, raw Corten steel trough planter that has developed its characteristic rich, rusty orange patina. This material provides an incredibly durable, industrial modern aesthetic that contrasts beautifully with the softness of the plants. It's often used for planting structured hedge-like shrubs or colorful mixed annuals, providing a striking, maintenance-free boundary for the patio. 10 wheel-mounted mobile planters. Large, square wooden or heavy-duty plastic planters that are strategically mounted on hidden castor wheels. This design is all about flexibility. It allows you to effortlessly move large, heavy plants, like dwarf fruit trees or large ferns, to follow the sun, protect them from bad weather, or quickly clear space for a gathering, proving that even massive greenery can be completely mobile. We've covered a lot today, from the fundamental meaning of a patio planter to 10 different, stunning ways you can use them to completely redefine your outdoor living space. The power of a planter lies not just in holding soil, but in its ability to introduce color, texture, height, and flexibility, turning a simple concrete slab into a truly welcoming, beautiful extension of your home. Whether you gravitate toward the sleek look of fiberglass or the rustic charm of terracotta, there's a perfect planter design out there just waiting to bring your garden vision to life. So what are you waiting for? I want to hear what planter idea is going to be the first one you try on your own patio. Drop a comment below with your favorite material. Are you a fan of wood, metal, or terracotta? If you found this guide helpful and are ready to tackle your next garden decor project, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips and inspiration, and click the bell icon so you never miss another video. Happy planting, and we'll see you in the next one.